Seashells, it's Shelby, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'd like to introduce to you the first episode of Family Feud. So, if you want to see these lovely contestants fight to the finish, make sure you keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get into it.
For each question, one player from each team will be chosen to hear the question first. Those players will have one chance to answer the question. The team of the player whose answer was worth the most points gets to start the round. Players from that team guess one at a time, in order. Whenever a given answer overlaps with a previous answer, the host will tell the player to guess again. If an answer is too vague, the host will tell the player to be more specific. An incorrect answer earns the team a strike. If a team guesses all the answers before earning 3 strikes, the total value of their answers is added to their score. After 3 strikes, the other team has one chance to guess a remaining answer. If they guess correctly, they get to steal all of the points of the correct answers given by the other team.
Team captains, make the stage
Don't make sure not getting that.
Listen carefully.
Die, alright?
Alright.
Remember what last time you do that, you know?
Your significant other is sleeping and you see something in their phone that you don't like. What do you do?
Wake them up out of this. Wake up!
You touch the first.
Wake up out of this! No!
That is correct. What is your answer?
Oh, you said me answer.
No, get it.
Oh God, they don't forfeit.
No, but she's I think right now it's a
No.
It's
she's
their
not a
turn
chance, yeah, bye.
It's okay.
Can I get a point?
As in, it's
Not right now.
the top one?
Yeah.
Oh,
But that was the top one?
Yeah, that's the top
Oh,
one.
okay.
So, what is the next one?
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah.
Question. Your significant other is sleeping and you see something in their phone that you don't like. What do you do?
Come out of my house.
Same thing.
Wake up different from come out of my house.
Wrong. Try again.
Sure.
10, 9, 8.
Get proof.
That is not there.
Wow.
Strike 2. Listen.
Give me a second, Judge.
Answer the question.
Yeah,
Time by
repeat the
time.
question.
He wrong. Come on, Bumbo.
Break up with
What do
them.
you mean by that?
That is not there, but that's a damn good answer.
Wait, huh?
I'm sorry. That's
If
3
you're not
strikes.
get too much wrong, lad, you're not running
That's
out together,
3.
you're not left them.
Next.
What was that?
You put it on the phone.
What kind of toxic?
Yeah.
On the phone.
Yeah, that's actually correct. And they steal your points just like that. Yes, your other answers, beat him or her.
Peter?
Yeah.
What?
Abusive.
You are so
Yeah.
violent.
Wow.
Cry
Ball.
or go back to
That
sleep.
never night.
Or go back to sleep.
So you wouldn't run them, you wouldn't left them, you wouldn't catch them. You wouldn't run the phone. But you got ball and put up
You ignore it.
That's what survey said. Next 2, please grace the stage.
Fully.
Father.
Rub them boy, you know.
What is the first thing the average person does when they wake up?
From the
Last time,
backside.
please.
If you
Check.
said Zidii not touch that, man.
Yo, I swear.
First
Okay,
thing-
Zidii.
Anyway.
What is the first thing the average person does when they wake up?
Yan.
That's lame.
That is
That's
not
so lame.
there.
Brush them
Sing.
teeth.
Yes, that is there.
That is
Wow.
Zidii, what are you saying, fam? Yawn? You yawn when you wake up?
Wow.
You know yawn when you got your bed.
Hold on, what does that mean to say? Stretch.
Sit down. Come on, Jalen. What's your
Jalen phone.
answer? That is correct. All right. Lee. What is your answer?
What's your face?
That is not there. Try again, Sing. Y'all got 2 more strikes to get before you're out.
We have one more?
It just bill.
No.
No, they've already said
You
it.
just made it.
Him done say, oh, no.
One more chance.
Survey said no.
Come on, Jalen. 10.
Pray.
That is correct. Lee, let's go.
How much leave?
You have one more to get wrong, but there are 3 more answers.
What?
What the average person gonna make up?
Yeah.
That's
10,
bro.
9.
Literally majority of humans do that.
That is correct.
Two more. Hold on. Two more.
Yeah.
10, 9, 8.
8.
I'm sorry, that is not. That is your third strike. Let's move on. If they get it right, please know they can steal your points. Are you
If
ready?
they get how much right?
We would like to say they're gonna use the bathroom. Hold on. Before you tell me what the rotted survey say, you can tell me say them beard. Wash them face before them use the bathroom. Survey.
Survey. I might have to review this in the survey.
Use the bathroom.
Because survey
Whenever you
puts
done
brushing the teeth and using the bathroom in the same category.
So how was bathing one of them? How was bathing and washing the face?
Mr.
Because that's something different.
That's in the
That's what
bathroom.
the
That's
survey
using the bathroom.
said.
I'm using the
That's
bathroom
what
to
the
brush my
survey
teeth. I'm
That's
using
what
the
the
bathroom to
survey
shower.
said.
Yo, that is what.
Yeah,
the
just look at the survey.
Yes.
I can't make this up. It's what the survey says. This team has won that round. The last 2 answers, drink water and stretch. I wish I actually said it. Stretch. I wish
Bro,
you said
you
it.
the
Pockets
bathroom was
again.
not there.
I just threw my say
What?
everything.
How much do you
You see, I said y'all so
Survey
freaking.
said.
Using
And
And then I said,
not
and then
there.
my explanation was, you know, you don't forget this.
Next, please grace the stage. What are some nicknames Jamaican men call women? Alright?
Empress.
That is correct.
Wait.
That is correct.
You have about one. That.
Yeah, another one.
Mama.
That is also correct, but his one.
Wait.
It is
So,
so
alright. Ready?
I
Alright,
literally
Lee.
said it.
What do you have to say, Lee?
Repeat the question for me.
What are some nicknames Jamaican men call women? We're down the road.
What you ear?
I should know it though.
What you ear?
You should really know. I really want to thump in your face.
Pick one.
Rolling.
I know it.
That is correct. Sing, you're up.
Tickle.
You are correct. Alright.
Easy question now.
Jalen.
Two more.
What?
Ready to answer?
The one that we're on pick up the
Oh, yeah. No, I have a question. Is it? Okay, you're right.
Don't answer anything.
How many here no countdown at once?
Yeah, I want
5, 4.
Yo, fat post you got.
Please don't say that recording.
Wrong.
Why you embarrassing me like that? She said that's what she like to be called.
That's the
That
first
was not what I
strike.
thought. That was her.
That is the
I was
first strike.
I was forced. I was forced.
I don't hear.
Lee, what is your answer?
You were forced to say that?
Yeah.
Don't force it again. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yeah,
My size?
No, that is incorrect.
size.
I'm sorry. Y'all got one more try. Sing.
La 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 la.
10, 9, 8.
Slimmers.
That is correct.
Boom. One more. No.
Yes, one more.
One more.
Jalen,
Damn. Okay.
if you'll get this wrong, just remember this team gets to steal all your points.
Hear the countdown now, please, Steve.
10, 9.
Yes.
Incorrect.
Hold on.
Sorry.
Yes.
It's not on the board. It's not on the board.
One more.
Yes.
Chad, what you got?
Go on. Now your turn.
Oh,
What do you got?
fluffy.
Incorrect. Alright, so sorry this team wins.
Babe was 100% supposed to be
Yeah,
one.
babe was
The
supposed to
last-
Babe was the one we were betting
That's
on.
what we were thinking of.
The last one is actually sexiness.
What?
I get it, but also.
Yeah, but like.
the service.
What's number one?
Respectfully, Empress shouldn't have been on there anymore. Empress getting outdated as hell.
Yeah, like Emma, Rasta.
Alright, Babe spun it over
Yeah.
Empress.
Yeah.
Name a typical Jamaican breakfast. Hello.
Yeah. We're not go for it before it even starts.
Show
Before
me.
she even done.
Yo.
Because I can't repeat the question now.
Two of them did kind
Please.
Okay,
Let me see
alright.
that shit.
Alright, so.
For true.
What's your answer?
Aki. Starfish.
That is correct. That's correct. Chad?
Macaroni down.
I'm sorry. That's
Yo, this survey is I'm not gonna lie.
not on the
Where I got some
board.
macaroni rundown is literally one of the most popular Jamaican breakfasts.
Oh my God.
Rundown.
Wait,
Bananas?
Come on, right now. Right now.
Egg and bread.
Right now.
That is correct.
Bro,
That
egg and bread is
correct.
not a Jamaicans eat egg and bread, but egg and bread is not a Jamaican
No,
breakfast.
I guess I'm saying like what Jamaicans do. You know.
That's different from Jamaican
That is
breakfast.
correct. Alright.
Breakfast?
Come again.
Breakfast.
Typical Jamaican breakfast.
Me no want to hear. You
Alright,
answer.
whatever.
That is salty.
Yeah,
Guys, this survey is bullshit.
Jalen.
For me?
No, sir.
That is correct.
Alright, hold on.
Bro,
From
Um,
4
I
minutes.
hope there's somebody in the comments defending rundown.
Yeah. I wouldn't even
I mean,
think
me
about that.
personally, I defend
Because you're a foreign
Bananas.
Jamaicaner.
Bro, I'm more. No, what the fuck? I moved to foreign 5 years ago.
Rundown is
Come on, you're
literally
talking
one
about-
of the most
talking
popular
about
Jamaican
Jamaican.
breakfasts.
Bro,
5,
It's
4,
literally.
But I still wouldn't
3,
even like.
2,
I'm from Cuba, I like
1.
rundown.
I would agree, but it's not.
Oh.
Oh, we're in this one?
Yeah, we're at the
Sorry.
It is foolishness.
I'm sorry.
You don't think I don't want them either, don't you?
What's it?
Okay, now you're France.
Yeah, then he said that. Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2. That is correct. No, there is one more.
Is that 5? Is that 5?
Yeah.
Damn.
6 question?
Yeah.
Nah, like my last
No, please, love.
5, 4, 3,
Fried
2.
plantain.
Y'all got 2 more chances. That's the last one. That's the first one I got wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a very
Yeah, so 2 more.
That's for breakfast. That's for dinner.
How much left?
1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Selfish.
Wrong.
Yes, sir.
If you don't get it, you can still think about very Jamaican breakfast.
Breakfast.
Very Jamaican
Yo, wait.
breakfast.
Get mama, dumpling and banana.
And what?
What?
So how them can say so callaloo and can't say
Yeah,
dumpling
callaloo and
banana?
what?
But
Yo, me not like how
No,
they
brother.
But
I
that's
never just eat a callaloo.
It's the serving.
Dumpling and banana, is it good?
I am.
Dumpling and banana can go to much thing. Much thing dumpling and banana can go.
How much thing
Dumpling is a
Look
side.
what thing I can say. With dumpling and banana.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Dumpling and banana. Oh, them say callaloo and get that and dumpling and banana can't work. What you want? Your stew chicken?
That was actually the right answer.
What?
Bullshit.
Stew chicken and what?
Stew chicken and dumpling and banana.
What?
No.
That's the answer. That's the answer.
So we like dumpling banana and what?
I'm trying to understand if I should give them.
No, you can't
Or
use dumpling
not.
and banana. If you did say just stew chicken now, can I say alright?
I
Okay.
never said like that.
You see me? If you did say stew
They
chicken,
got
let's say alright.
callaloo
Go on.
by itself.
Go on, brother.
Oh, that gave me another.
I know me.
If you did say stew chicken, let's say alright.
I'm
Go on.
gonna have to give
Yeah.
them.
Yo.
I'm gonna have
Oh,
to give
that's
them. That is over this shit.
Oh yeah, no, I'm pissed off. It's the most answer that I've
I'm
ever seen.
sorry. All right.
And And I Shelby my vex because Shelby had a survey.
You keep.
Shelby had the survey.
I'm not the surveyor.
Yo.
The question is.
That's a weird thing that Shelby never think of it, and that's why they're not on the survey.
Someone invites you over for a booty call while their parents aren't home. You hear the parents come home early. What do you do?
No, that what she didn't even answer the question.
She didn't know the question.
Yes.
Him do it first.
But you never done answer question.
That's correct.
What is it?
That's
Go ahead, the
correct.
closet, brother.
What is your answer?
Yeah, jump through your window.
That is also correct.
Ah, which one bigger?
Yours.
Black. I like.
Oh, sorry.
You know,
So far, I'm this.
Man, wicked that.
come on, Neil. Still don't know nothing but an answer.
I think, man.
Answer no?
Go through the back door.
What?
In our room. Back door in our
I'm
room.
sorry, that one is not there.
You said parents come home.
Try again.
Fake it
Chad.
like a batty man.
What?
Fake it like a batty man.
That would have been such a good answer.
Dad.
But it's
It's
not
a good
there.
answer.
Shout out to Travis.
It's not there. I'm sorry.
None of my answers are there.
Come Zidii. You got one more chance.
I don't have the bed.
That is correct. Correct.
Oh, what? We have more?
Yeah.
How much question?
Neil,
How much question?
you have 3 more to get.
No, yeah, I have one wrong already.
Yeah, I'm it doing.
Yeah.
Them just say that.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stay.
That is actually correct.
That's a good answer.
Yeah. Stay. Alright, come Chad. Come again.
More questions.
Chad.
Yeah,
Come on.
How many more are there in this one? Damn.
10, 9, 8,
I'm blank.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Fighting. I fight the fire.
That is incorrect. I am sorry. Moving on to
Let's just go
the next time.
What's up, guy? You already know what it is.
Bathroom, you go in the bathroom.
That's correct.
Give me that.
That
Run your bucket
is
to
correct.
me. That boy.
So
Even
weird.
stop yourself problem when you watch.
Alright. Last time to go up.
You got this name.
So last road.
Alright. What item will a Jamaican mother use to hit their child?
No, you shouldn't have finished the
Touch
question.
it.
You shouldn't have finished the
She
question.
finished the question with Singh though.
Yeah.
One thing, touch
Yeah,
it.
she finished the question
She
with
finished the
saying,
question with Yale too.
Why the question again now?
what she was big or picnic? Go on.
What item will a Jamaican mother use to hit their child?
No, but
That's
then.
correct.
What?
That's how
No.
she got it.
That's
Where
the-
at? No, that's not on it. Come on.
Alright, fine.
Chad, what's your answer?
Slippers.
That is correct. Zidii,
Broomstick.
that is correct. Neil, that is correct. You got two.
And nickel.
That is correct. And
Clearly.
Piece of pick from out the door. One switch.
no, that's not right.
Alright, I want
Guess
second.
again.
I want expert.
The switch are normally.
Yeah, that what?
Then again, I need to consult. I need to consult with that answer.
But maybe there's probably more like stronger.
After consulting,
After consulting. that's
after
all.
consulting,
Yeah, go on.
that last answer I gave, I'm gonna have to give it.
Piece of stick.
Because the last answer was anything she find. And that would kind of fall in the category of anything she
You want to tell
find.
them over? Yeah.
What will a Jamaican mother use to hit her
So that
child?
means you could have just said this, and that would have considered anything.
Yeah, but you didn't. You didn't
Yeah.
answer. You gave a.
So
That's literally the
That shouldn't be there though.
But that's what
Because
the survey
I bet.
said.
No, anything you find is a
Survey
answer.
said-
No,
Look how this comes to
They
search.
should have. But that's what the survey said. So me,
That
let
makes
me
sense.
work with the
wait,
survey.
that's an answer or that just
That means
That's the
that
answer.
means them could have just list anything and it would have considered that.
According to survey.
According to survey.
According to survey.
Man, no, that
So
was
slippers and anything
I
you
don't
find.
think I like that though.
Hey,
Well, according to survey, it is.
boy.
Me no like
Should
it.
have answered and gave a strong answer.
Because put it this way, why I never put slippers?
Me no like-
as
me no
ever?
like-
Either way, on
Because
the
slippers
survey,
was on the list, but
Hey.
I'm agreeing
I
with you.
we
Me
don't
no
know
like
what's
it,
on the
but
list
I
regardless.
deserve
We're
it.
guessing anyways.
I
you guys
I
say
have,
that still.
Well,
I
this
either
remember
have
say-
two. I have two options.
What go on?
Is either I take out the answer then,
Yo,
completely.
give
Yo, now, oh,
And then
God,
still
man.
no, that's still win.
Alright,
If I
can't
take
get
that
it,
answer
can't
out,
get
it.
so
Exactly.
one of us win regardless.
Yeah, yeah,
You can't get
It's
it.
okay, y'all got it. Y'all
It's
got
here,
it.
man.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Remember them all who said we, you know,
Oh,
them
God.
no,
we don't have to bring that up. We don't.
Alright, we're not free.
This
I'm
now,
gonna come drink something. Please, I'm big.
this now, as Jalen said, I didn't tell you guys earlier, but this is the bonus round.
Yeah.
So,
Alright, 2 points.
this round, whoever wins this round wins overall.
So that means you could have just lose everything.
But I say we're as a popular review.
So,
When you take some.
this side that already is leading,
1, 2,
if they lose this round, that's it.
Is it the same 6 that we have to guess?
Yep,
Oh, so it's another round like the ones we did?
basically.
Alright.
Damn.
So, team captains, let's do this one last time.
You got this, Chad?
Wait, don't we just get it or pick
What?
if we get it or
With that me.
No, we
Since we-
just
Do you want shake hand?
Okay.
can't
Last
have confusion.
Go and hold your hand so I can't get a good one.
Okay, that's on the record.
Alright? Ready?
Your hand close enough.
Come,
Alright, I'm
step-
stand up
no,
like you
no.
like a IG baddie. See me?
Step
huh?
back, little man. Step back, little. Yeah. Alright. The question is,
So I cross your foot. Alright.
please to let me finish the question before I lick the team. What food that you don't eat, people would have said may remove on a Jamaican card
Mango.
for? Lee,
Aki.
that is correct.
Yeah.
You said mango, so that's wrong.
Yo,
Jamaican
don't do this, you know.
Nine.
He said, so Neil, where do you work at, my brother?
Eight.
Yeah.
Seven. That is correct.
correct.
Jalen.
Yeah, dog.
Okra.
No, not on the list. Try again.
I think, yeah.
10, 9, 8,
And you, bro.
7, 6. That's correct.
You want it.
Much more answer them,
So
much
what
more
did me
answer
a
them.
Rasta?
Much
So
more
I'm
answer
that Jamaican become the.
Three.
No, because you eat pork, you get it.
10.
I thought so
No,
what you
don't
don't
know what this. That's
Eight.
not what the question is saying.
7.
Curry, goat.
That's correct.
Oh, sir.
Wait,
Sing.
jerk chicken?
That is incorrect.
No,
That's
because the
wrong.
question is confused.
One more.
No, I feel that like you would probably.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You guys have the opportunity
Alright.
to
While we have the
steal.
opportunity, can you repeat the question?
No.
Yes,
No, you have to.
you
Don't
can.
make them kind of confusing.
It
man.
confusing.
Example
Yeah.
that was using, me as a Jamaican,
Ask the
me
question.
not eat curry goat. Yeah, I say, oh, you know, eat curry goat. You're
So
a
it's what
Jamaican.
you, so it's what you
What you
don't
don't
eat. That's what I'm
eat that
asking.
they
That's what I
revoke
know.
your
What you
Jamaican
eat or what
card
you don't
Oh.
Yeah.
Yo,
No, it's
Shut
so
up,
many
but
things
then
in there, though. I don't think so.
Bro, her
No,
last survey,
it's
the
not.
survey had
What is
anything
it?
you can find. These questions are vague.
I'm not very right. Sorry.
10,
Some
9,
group of people.
8,
You have a better
Seven.
answer?
I don't get it wrong. I
Six.
don't think it's wrong that we that's
Bro.
Five.
You just have to wait now.
4.
I feel you, right?
Breadfruit.
I'm sorry,
I
that's
think
not.
That means.
Box lunch Dennis?
Huh?
Box lunch
Pum
Dennis?
pum Dennis?
Stew peas
Stew
and
peas.
plantain.
Yeah, Boston.
Plantain.
You should
Yeah.
have put it.
Plantain.
Those two were the last on the list.
Survey!
So, this
That's what I
team
meant.
won.
With a line of survey.
This team won. Please don't be sore.
Oh, this one next.
Remember, you know, Jaja must bless you, my father.
Hold on, may I give
That's
you
all
guys
that
some
must
rum
come.
for the troubles?
Rum?
Which one?
Clear line it
For my troubles.
Thank you all so much for tuning into the first episode
Oh,
of
oh,
Family
oh,
Feud. I'm gonna have to reevaluate the survey because I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
I
survey,
myself
Yeah.
would have
All
not
if
put
we do
some
with
of
the
those
survey.
Yeah, no,
answers,
survey
you know?
Don't realize why me that argue with the survey from point one now.
So
me that win.
now you
Alright.
understand. If you
I said
follow
it's
my
trash.
fan page at Andimshelby is going to be on the screen. That's where I ask these questions. Please fill out the surveys and don't write no foolishness because it's when the people them
We are arguing, matter of fact. Yo, give me them right now. Give me them that.
Yo.
Give me them.
Oh no, them are going
If you comment on the survey, in the comments say, I contributed to the survey.
Yeah.
And me personally, I dislike a comment. Me, I dislike it.
Me, I will block your page.
Alright, see you guys next time.